Echo India 8 Hotel Juliet Bravo QSL.
Echo India 8 Hotel Juliet Bravo. Is that a Roger?
Yeah, QSL on that. The name is Aiden, Alpha India Delta Echo November. I'm only pushing out 5 watts, 5 watts over.
Okay, that was, well, at least we got that out of there that time. Echo India 8 Hotel Juliet Bravo, K2TRD. Operator name on this side is Martin. The other station, Marvin, he can't hear you. And I only got you about 5 and 1 here, 51, coming into upstate New York. Coming out of Ireland today there, which is QRP station. How many watts are you running over?
The power at the moment is 6 watts. It's actually 6 watts out of a Yaesu FT991, and the antenna is a homebrew doublet with a homebrew 1-to-1 current balun QSL.
I'm glad to see that you're making it across the pond this evening on QRP. Very late in the evening time, but making it across the pond.
Yeah, QSL on that. Nice to make the contact. You're a strong signal here into Ireland. My location is approximately 60 miles northwest of the capital city, Dublin, and you're doing a fine job into Ireland. You're 5'7", 5'8", with a little bit of QSL.
QSL. Well, you came up to 5 and 3 in that last one. 5 and 3 in that last one. And I'm running a kilowatt here into a 7-element TA7 Yagi, so and you're still coming across 5 and 3. I am on the mountainside here. So we are in the mountainside with over 400 meters of elevation. But the soil conductivity here is all full of iron ore, above ground streams. I got streams running underneath the property. The antenna is also going over a swamp. That's on my property. That's sending another drop off. So we have a good low angle of radiation. So I get good receive here for QRP stations. Since we usually have a zero noise floor, it makes it very nice for QRP stations. Along Mother Nature cooperates, and you get no static crashes from any type of electrical interference from Mother Nature herself. Otherwise, you don't get any noise here whatsoever because we're in the countryside. Echo India 8 Hotel Juliet Bravo / QRP K2TRD. Operator Martin, go ahead.
K2TRD EI8HJB. Sounds like a nice location there that you're in, Martin. Sounds very nice indeed. I'm kind of in a built-up area where I am. I do have sometimes QRM, but at the moment now, it's nice and quiet now tonight, and it's late enough here in Ireland that it's 2 a.m. 2 a.m. It's a little bit earlier, I know, in your part of the world, but yes, it's nice to hear you, and it's nice to hear that the homebrew antenna I've set up is making the trip back to yourself. It's not very high. It's not very high. It's only about 20 foot, or we'll say a little over 3 meters off the ground at the moment. So I'm happy it's making the trip there, QSL.